Hi guys, hope all of you are doing well. Today we're going to review the Wall hair clippers. For those of you who don't know about this brand, Wall is actually a 100-year-old American company. It's headquartered in Illinois. It's great. Ever since I grew up and I went to a salon to get my hair cut by a professional barber, professional hairdresser, I used to see them using these trimmers with a proper thumb side fade in, fade out sort of a feature. And I thought that this cannot be used for household because it's definitely going to be really expensive and cannot be purchased for a house use. But because during lockdown I don't see myself going to a salon anytime soon, and using a beard trimmer to trim your hair is a very tedious task because it gets stuck in the blades and in the head cap sort of a thing. And every 2 to 5 minutes you're just like unhooking the blade and like cleaning the blade and then putting it back and then trying to trim it again. So I thought it's a good time to invest in the hair trimmer. And surprisingly, this is not that expensive. It's just for about 2K. And on Amazon, I'm sure you will definitely get some offer with it. It will come down to like 1800, 1850, 1900 or something. So I definitely recommend this. So let's get on with the review. So I'll unbox this for you, and this is everything you get in the box. It comes in this fancy little travel pouch, which is really cool. Let's get to that later. This everything in the box is a clipper, 10 guide combs, a scissor, a cleaning brush, and a blade oil. Some paperwork just to go through real quick. You get a 2-year warranty, and you get a manual on how to use the product. It's actually a very cute little manual, and it's got images, a very kindergarten sort of a manual, if I would say. It explains you how where the blades are, where the power button is, and also it gives you a little glimpse into how to actually cut your hair with a professional trimmer, to always go against the grain, and how to what blades to use, and also it's fun. Like if you want to understand how to cut your hair professionally, you could definitely go through this guide. So let's move on. You get these blades, these combs, and given how beard trimmers only have a very limited set of combs, they probably just have one comb, and then you have a limited set of movements that you can do within that. So these are really cool because when you're cutting your hair, the hair doesn't get stuck within the blade. It just keeps falling off. And so it's got different numbers. It starts from 1, goes till number 8. So even if you want to keep a heavy haircut, you can actually use a number 8 blade and go about it. The really cool thing that I found, which I didn't know about, that if you could see this, it says left ear taper and right ear taper. So these are made in these combs are made in this way so that you can plug this up when you're doing your right ear or your left ear the same way. So this is a really cool thing which I didn't know about. And it gives you this professional scissor. Don't tell me you haven't seen this at Gitanjali or any other store. It's crazy. This is what they use, and I've always wanted this, but it looks crazy. This genuinely gives me a feel that this is a professional haircutting tool. This is the oil that they were talking about, and the brush to clean the blade. And it also includes a comb. Let's move on to the trimmer. It comes with this little warning sort of a thing, like a caution on top saying to oil the blades before using. And I read the manual about it, and it said that just because in traveling it might just the blades might move a little, so it's a precautionary thing that you can oil the blades before turning it on. Also it's a powered trimmer, and there's no wireless trimmer for this. It's a power trimmer. You need to plug it while you're doing it. It's a really long cable, so I don't think it's going to be an issue plugging it wherever you want to. Okay, so here you see the power switch, and this is what I was talking about. So you've seen all those videos where those professional hairdressers keep fading the hair, right, and properly giving them a slick haircut. So this is how it works. It's got a natural thumb extension of the blades. If you could see that, the blades, when you the blades extend and the blades contract when it's up. So while you're trimming, if you want that immediate while trimming, except for changing the comb, because usually fades are done when you change the combs. So if you're on and this sort of a feature works with the comb on top also. So if you have a comb, you can, if you want to do that fade, so you can just turn push it down so that the blades come out, and accordingly you can do set your hairstyle or professionally cut your hair. It's a very, very nice build quality, and the minute you hold it, you feel it. You feel how
posh it is in a way, if I could say that. It's crazy. It's great. It's great. I really like it. The feel, the build quality is amazing. Says precision, and how all grooming products are first used on my dad. This is no other case. This will be first used on my dad before I use it on myself. So all the reviews I've read about this product, they're amazing. Wall is actually a 100-year-old American company, like I said before. This is great. So actually, like, haven't seen any reviews stating anything else, anything different, that there's a defect with the blades or there's a defect with anything else. Nothing broken, nothing of that sort. So yeah, so this is how you would actually like attach a comb. It's really easy. There's a clip, it just gets on, and you can just like start trimming your hair.
Okay, so I had a great time cutting my dad's hair, and this product is amazing. The blades are really sharp. You don't even have to go through an area twice, and I would definitely recommend this. And make your home your own salon. This is the time to do it. Just learn professional haircutting. Why go to the salon at all? Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for staying till now. And there, a lot of things do fascinate me that are up on Amazon, and I would like to review them. So give me a feedback on how you like my video, and for many more to come.